What's up, you guys? Charles Emmett here. Today I want to address some questions. I've seen some rumors circulating on Twitter about the stimulus checks. Let me clear the air, okay? Let me spit some facts here because I am a tax preparer in Cleveland, Ohio. So that gives me the right to talk about this, all right? So yeah, the rumors I've been seeing on Twitter, they're talking about how this stimulus is a loan that you're gonna have to repay, but don't trust Twitter. That's fake news. You don't have to repay this, all right? This is what you would call a 100% refundable credit, all right? It is an advance credit of your 2020 taxes. So you're getting it now, but technically it would be on your 2020 tax return when you file your 2020 taxes. There'll be a line for the stimulus for $1,200, and that's when you should be getting it when you file your 2020 taxes, but since it's an advance, they gave it to you now. So yeah, you're not gonna have to repay it. It's a tax credit, fully refundable. Don't have to pay it back. So that's one rumor I saw. And now another thing is, I see some college students, they're getting upset because they think they're entitled to the stimulus money. And you very well could be. You could be, especially if you just graduated in 2019, such as myself, right? I just graduated and I was pretty upset because I said, well, hell, I pretty much support myself now, but unfortunately in 2019, I was still a student. And so my parents claimed me. But here's the thing, when you file in 2020 and you claim yourself, you can still get that $1,200. Remember that line I mentioned on your 2020 tax return? Most people, they're not gonna see the $1,200 there because they already got it. But if you file in 2020 and claim yourself, you will see that $1,200 and you will claim that. And the tax credit, it just means that you get additional money in addition to your regular refund. So if you got a $1,000 refund, then you can expect a $2,200 refund if you didn't claim it yet, if you didn't get the advance payment. So yeah, that's pretty neat. A lot of people don't know about that, but as long as you are over the age of 18, right, you're not a student, you could go ahead and claim yourself. Your parents probably claimed you in the past because they get that $500 credit for claiming a dependent. But $1,200, $500, you know, you're gonna wanna go with the $1,200. So yeah, definitely do that when you file in 2020. Claim yourself, get that $1,200 refund, tax credit rather, not a refund, tax credit, dollar for dollar, $1,200. Don't have to pay it back. It's not a loan, free money basically. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, you might be wondering, well, like I said, they used your 2019 information because they didn't have your 2020 info yet, but technically they would be using your 2020 information. So if you file as a dependent, you won't get it, but if you claim yourself, you'll get it. So, which brings me to another point. What if you made over $99,000 in 2020, but you made less than that in 2019, so you got the check? People are saying, oh, well, you're gonna have to pay that back since in 2020, based on the 2020 numbers, you made more than the $99,000. You're not entitled to it. But that's also fake news. This only benefits the taxpayer. So even if you do end up making more than the income limits, you're still good. You won't have to pay it back. So there's that. Some good stuff right there. Yep. Homeless people, you're entitled to it, which is crazy because a lot of homeless people probably don't know about it. They don't have access to a computer, especially during this time when everything is shut down. So if you know a homeless person, send them my information, I guess, because I could do that right away. Just go on the computer. You could do it on the IRS portal. Very simple tax return. Just put in zeros for everything. You just need a physical address to get the check sent to. So if you know somebody, you can just use your address, get the check sent there. Shit, you could probably make some money yourself if you want to charge them a little finder's fee. Better than nothing, I guess. You could get $1,100, you get $100. Everybody wins. Take that money. Take the government's money. They're giving it away. Got to claim it. There's probably billions of dollars of unclaimed stimulus checks sitting around because they're not claiming it. So yeah, definitely pay attention to those 3 things I just told you. It's not a loan. You don't have to pay it back. It's an advance credit for your 2020 tax returns, which means when you file in 2020 and you claim yourself, then you could get that $1,200. And I guess, yeah, homeless people could get it too. Boom. There you go. Charles Emmett. Hit me up with any tax questions. I'm a tax preparer. Been doing this for a long time. Long time, guys. So definitely let me know. I'll put my contact information in the box below. Give me a call, give me a text, give me an email. See ya.